Oh, hey, I'm glad you guys are here. I am so excited right now, you guys. You can't even believe it. I was over at a buddy of mine's house, and he made this huge, gigantic projector screen, and it was outside on his patio, and he had at nighttime, and we sat there and watched these movies for like 3 hours, man. And I said, well, what product is that? And he said, it's the Jinhoo. So we just got it in, you guys. So we're going to be installing this in one of our project rooms. And this thing is awesome. Because when I was at my friend's house, I loved it, you guys. I absolutely love it. And you can get it like right here. This says Amazon. Just go right on Amazon. Right there. Let's see what they're going for, you guys. This one's new and used from $87.99. So about 90 bucks. 99 bucks for a brand new one. Guys, this comes with everything. It comes with everything. It's amazing. It really is. It has every... look, you guys. Let's see if we can get this up. It has the card that you can put in for pictures and all kinds of stuff. You can put your home movies in there. You can put a disc drive in there. It has all these features to it. You can hook up to your PC. You can hook up to your TV. It has the Vega. It has the USB. It has the MDMI. It has the SD card. It has the ports for your audio visual. It has the ports for... So guys, let's open this up and let's check out the new Jinhoo. All right? Let's do it. So we're gonna open this box up. Actually, guys, this thing's awesome because it comes with everything. You don't really need to get anything else because it comes with everything. So we're gonna open this up. Let's see what's inside. Right, so inside the box, guys, comes really everything for you. It comes with a screen. They give you a box that has all your products in it. It comes with a cord. It comes with clips so you can hang up your screen. So let's get this out and take a look at it. Comes with the cord. Comes with a remote control. Here's your actual screen. I mean, how many companies actually put a screen in there for you? It's amazing. This thing was so awesome, you guys. When we were at his house, I was able to actually even get on. I was even actually able to get online. Let's take a look what's in the box. So here's the instruction manuals. Comes with it. Here's the actual projector, which is awesome. Now the cool thing about this, guys, this thing's so awesome. It has all your ports on it. It has your USB port. It has your HDMI port. It has all the different features. It has the audio visual. It has the HDMI, the VGA port. It has all these. You can even put in external speakers if you want to, or listen to it in a headset. It does come, you guys, with a speaker. Not a speaker, it's okay. It's all right. It does pretty good. But you really, if you want the full effect, you need to really hook this up to a better speaker. And I'm going to be honest with you, for the money, this is the best way to go. Jinhoo. It is absolutely one of the best products out there on the market for the money. You can't beat it. It's a little loud. There's the only thing I didn't like about it, but the one thing I do love about it, yes, it comes with the remote control. It comes with all this, but what happens? We lose our remote. So they actually have the buttons right on top here. So if you do lose your remote, you're still able to use your unit. So they give you cleaning equipment that you actually can, they give you instructions on how to go, and here, right here, see that little screw? That's the screw you gotta take off and open this little door. And if you find that there is something on the screen of the lens, they give you a thing to polish your lens with, a wipe, and then they give you also, they even give you this, they even give you the screwdriver, guys. It's pretty amazing. They give you the screwdriver, they give you the cleaning equipment to clean your inside of the lens. They give you the wipe for the lens. There's not a lot of companies that do that, guys. There's not. So I'm pretty stoked about this product. So with this product, this is, you get this Wi-Fi, all the connections. You can hook up to your TV. You can hook it up to your computer. You can watch your home movies on with SD card. You can go Wi-Fi with it. So this is absolutely one of the coolest products out there. Guys, this is Jinhoo. I'm going to go hook this up. I'm going to show you what it does, and the way you save money at Powerhouse is we're going to show you the products to buy. Cool thing about it has all the speakers stuff up here in case you do lose your remote, and then it has the focus. The cool thing about it too is they do give you a lens protective cap, and I think that's really awesome. And then they give you the adjusting for the height down here. I'm going to be honest, this was one of the coolest products for the money on the market today. It's the Jinhoo, guys. This is an awesome product for the money. You can't beat it. I was thinking, you know, yeah, that's got to be expensive when I was over at my friend's house. But no, it's only about 99 bucks, man. And this is one of the coolest products. If you want to watch a 50-foot screen, this is the product you need, Jinhoo. Awesome. Alright guys, there's the Jinhoo. We just installed it and absolutely love it. We have it hooked up to a converter box, and this is what it looks like. Look at that screen, 50-inch screen all the way across. This is what we used to have, this little bitty TV up to, on the ceiling, but now it's 50 foot. Oh my God, you guys, this thing is awesome. Has HMDI connection, has UBS connection, USB, has so we connected surround sound into it. Now the lines, you guys see the lines, that's not their fault, that's mine. We have that hooked up, we don't have the screen they gave us, we have that hooked up on projecting off of our curtains out in on the patio area that have stripes going down. But if you actually put up a screen, it's phenomenal, guys. So yeah, absolutely. Guys, we love it. It's awesome. Listen to the sound. We hooked this up to Bose, and I absolutely love it, guys. I'm really happy with the system. This is a great picture, man. And it's 50 feet all the way across. Can you see that? A lot better than that. Absolutely awesome. There it is right there, guys. Yep. Jinhoo, all we did was hook up a converter box on it, and boom, 50-inch screen TV, baby. Right there. Alright guys, this is Uncle B from Powerhouse. Love it. Love it. Guys, this is so inexpensive. So cool.